Good morning, students. Yesterday we have solved exercise 1.3, first one in third main, first one. Today, let us begin the second one. The given a equals to 7, a 13 equals to 35. Find d and s3. Okay. Second one. A equals to 7, A3 equals to A13 equals to 35. Now, an equals to A plus n minus 1 into d. This one is the reference formula. A13 equals to A plus n minus 1, 13 minus 1 into d. A13 is 35. So, A plus A is 7. 7 plus 13 minus 1, that is 7 plus 12 d. Okay, 35 minus 7 equals to 12 d. See what we have done. Given a equals to 7, A13 equals to 35, we have used an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This one is the referring formula. A13 equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. That value is substituted. A equals to 7, then n is number of terms is 13, 13 minus 1, d is not given. So 35 minus 7 equals to 12d. 35 minus 7, that is 8 equals to 12d. Therefore, d equals to 28 divided by 12. 4 3s are 4 7s are. Therefore, d equals to 7 by 3. D equals to 7 by 3. Now substitute d equals to 7 by 3 by using the related formula. That is, we have to find d, we have to find s3. Now, Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket a plus l. Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. Now S13 is we have to find. That is S13 equals to n by 2. That is 13 by 2. A is 7 plus nth term 35 is given. So S13 equals to 13 by 2 into 35 plus 7, 42. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s. That is S13 equals to 13 1s are 13. Carry 1, 13 2s are 26 plus 1, 27. S13 is 273. See, we have learned two formulae related to that Sn formula. When the last term is given, we have to apply this one. Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. We can also solve this one by referring the basic formula, that is Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See, S13 equals to 13 by 2 in the bracket 2 into 7 plus 13 minus 1 into d, that is d we have calculated 7 by 3. Okay, 13 by 2 in the big bracket 7 2s are 40 plus 12 into 7 by 3. See, yes, 13 equals to 13 by 2 in the big bracket 14 plus, we have to cancel here, 3 1s are 3 4s are, that is 7 plus 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28. Then we have, yes, 13 equals to 13 by 2 into 42, that is equals to 2 1s are 221s, that is 13 into 21 is nothing but 273. Therefore, yes, 13 equals to 273 is the value of S13 is the answer, that is S13 equals to 273. See, this process is lengthy one, so better to use this formula when that last term is given. See, once again I repeat this one. Here A is given, A 13th term is given, this one is the last term. By applying AN formula, A plus n minus 1 into D, we have D equals to 28 by 12, that is 3 4 7s are 4 3s are, that is 7 by 3 we got. Then by using this value D equals to 7 by 3, that has been substituted in this given equation formula. Sn equals to n by 2, that is 7 plus 35. After simplification we got S13 equals to 273. You can also solve by using this formula. Sn equals to n by 2, same answer you will get. So that is left to you, which formula you can use, or you can apply any method to calculating that 273. See, once again the solution. Okay, see the third one in the 1.3, that in question number 3, third one, given A12 equals to 37, D equals to 3. An equals to, we know, An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. An equals to A plus 1 minus A plus n minus 1 into D. A12 how much? An 37. A we do not know. N 12 minus 1 into D 3. So 37 equals to A plus 12 minus 1, that is 11 into 3. 37 equals to A plus 33. 37 minus 33 equals to A. How much? We have A equals to 4. A equals to 4 by substituting the given values. Then we need to find that S12 by applying the nth. Therefore, S12 A already got 4 plus L last term is given, that is Sn equals to, that is 37. 2 1 are 2 6 are 6 into yes 12 equals to 246. We can also apply that main SN equals to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into the similar answer you will get. Which one? By using that is one first one. Say the fourth one, given A3 equals to 15, S10 equals to 125. Implies in these two given values, we have to find the D and A10. Say, given that is A13 equals to 15. The meaning of here that A3 is given A3 that A3 equals to 15. The meaning of A3 is A plus 2 minus 1 into D equals to 15. You know, by referring the A equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. You know this one. So many times we have used that one reference referring formula A equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A3 equals to 15, S10 equals to 125. The meaning of A3 is A plus n minus 1, 3 minus 1 into D. So A plus this one 3 minus 1 that is 2D equals to 15. A plus 2D equals to 15. Therefore, A equals to 15 minus 2D. A equals to 15 minus 2D. This one considered as 1. Now Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket A plus L. Let us consider the last term. A13. That n is 10. So Sn is it is better to use S10. Use that Sn direct formula. Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn that is S10 equals to n by 2, 10 by 2 in the bracket 2a. We do not know the value of 2a plus n minus 1. That is 10 minus 1 into D. Into D we do not know the value of D. So S10 is nothing but 125. That is equals to 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 in the bracket 2a plus 10 minus 1 that is 9D. So 125 by 5. 125 by 5 equals to 2a plus 9d. So 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 5s are. That is 25 equals to 2a plus 9d. 25 minus 9d equals to 2a. Therefore 25 minus 9d equals to divided by 2 equals to a. Second one, equating first and second. Equating first and second. First one is 15 minus 2d equals to second one is 25 minus 9d divided by 2. By cross multiplying 2 in the bracket, 15 minus 2d equals to 25 minus 9d. So 15 2s are 30 minus 2 2s are 4d equals to 25 minus 9d. So 30 minus 25 equals to minus 9d plus 4d. That is equals to 5 equals to, that is minus 5d. Therefore d equals to minus 5 divided by 5. Therefore d equals to minus 1. D equals to minus 1. See the solution once again. Okay, see here we got d equals to minus 1. Then I will rub this one. Say put d equal to minus 1 in equation 1. That is a equals to 15 minus 2d. 15 minus 2 into d minus 1. 15 minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2. 15 equals to a equals to 17. A equals to 17. See, this d equals to minus 1 value is substituted at a is equal to 17. Then what we got? We have to find. Then d we got, then a tenth equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A 10 equals to a, we got 17 plus 10 minus 1 into d, that is minus 1. 17 plus 10 into minus 1, 9 into minus 1, that is 17 plus into minus minus 9, that is a 10 equals to 8. A 10 equals to 8. See, don't get confusion. See, we got the d value here, d is substituted in the equation 1. Then A10 has calculated, A10 equals to 8. See the fifth one, D equals to 5, S9 equals to 75, find A and A9. First term we have to find, then the value of A9 given. S9 equals to 75. We know Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. S9 equals to n by 2, 9 by 2, 2a we do not know, plus n 9 minus 1 into d. S ninth given, that is 75 equals to 9 by 2 in the big bracket. In the big bracket, 2a plus 9 minus 1 8, d is given, that is 5. So 75 equals to 9 by 2 in the big bracket, 2a plus 8 5s are 40. Then 75 equals to 9 by 2 into, let us take 2 as common in the bracket, a plus 20. So 2 gets cancelled. 75 equals to 9 in the bracket, a plus 20. 9 in the bracket, a plus 20. Okay. Then 75 by 9 equals to a plus 20. That is 3 3s are 325s are 25 by 3 equals to a plus 20. 25 by 3 minus 20 equals to a. LCM 3. 3 1s are 1 3s are. That is 25 minus 23s are 60 equals to a. So 60 minus 25, 35 minus 35 by 3 equals to a, minus 35 by 3 equals to a. Substituting this value, a equals to minus 3 by 5 in a9, that is now an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a9 equals to minus 35 by 3 plus n minus 1, 9 minus 1 into d. What we have into d? How much we got d? That is 5. So minus 35 by 3 plus 9 minus 1, 8 into 5. So a9 equals to minus 35 by 3 plus 40, that is equal to LCM 3. 3 1s are 1 3s are minus 35 plus 120. That is a9 equals to 85 by 3. 85 by 3. See, once again see the solving method and try to understand which formula we have used, then how we have calculated. All things you have to see attentively. See, this one is the 5th question. Okay, see today's homework, referring the previous problems what I have solved, then use that suitable formula, find what they have asked. A, B, C, D, 4 problems are given. Without fail, you have to do the homework.